Ang whaka yo e lungu po lewa le po. Lawa la ngonga mai ka ua lo kama. Kau kalana moe.
Grandma Sia, is that you?
No, I'm Beyonce.
Huh?
For goodness sake, ke mai o maka e kea. Of course it's me. Who else looks like your grandmother?
But you're...
Dead.
We buried you last week.
Death is subjective. It's only the beginning of a journey.
Huh? What does that mean?
Oh, it's gonna make you whabalewalea.
Wait, is this because of your coffin dress? Because I told Mom to put your favorite ball gown on, but she didn't listen.
Now you listen good. Your mum hates me. Just look at this stupid-looking dress. I look like the traffic lights. I should have burned it long ago. Put it in the fire.
Burn it? Are you in hell? Oh, my sweet Jesus.
Whalonga mai polo kalinga. I'm not in hell. I'm not anywhere, really, which is why I'm here. I came to ask for your help.
Me?
They were quite definite that you were the one.
Me, the one. Wait, is this like one of those Matrix things where I'm the hero of the story and I have heaps of potential and power, but I just don't realize it yet?
Dream on. How? You can't be a hero of any stories.
Okay, never mind. So what did you need help with?
To get me to heaven.
Huh? Heaven?
You know, heaven, up there, heaven.
Oi, the dickers. What's all the noise in here?
I'm just talking, bro.
To who? You got a secret mouse in here I don't know about.
No?
Relax, it was a test dummy. Everyone knows mouse can't talk.
Ricky, did you mean mice?
You're trying to be a smartass.
No, I'm just saying.
Oh, you think you're that chaser guy, eh? Ask your little mouse friends.
Talk to the audience.
That's Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
That's Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
See, there you go again. Disrespecting me.
Tell him, if you hit me, I'm going to tell Mum about your special book collection.
What?
I said you're disrespecting me.
Tell him.
If you hit me, I'll tell Mom about your special book collection.
What book collection?
The one he stashed behind the rocking chair in the garage.
One stashed behind the lazy boy in the garage?
You would not have touched him, you little...
Hey, what are you two doing?
Oh, Ricky was just telling me about his special books, his Mormon one.
Shh! Hurry up and get to bed. And Ricky, put some bloody clothes on. Aya, you embarrassing. Get to bed. Hurry.
Mom,
Yeah?
do you believe in ghosts?
I'm not a ghost.
What you ask?
Nothing really, just thinking about Grandma.
Grandma was a special one, huh? She loved me like her own daughter.
Oh, she's leaning a bit to your mother.
Do you think Grandma, went to heaven?
Knowing her, she's probably already up there in her pink dress that she really loves to wear.
Lies. I hate this bloody dress.
Okay, anyways, get to bed. You need to sleep for school in the morning, okay?
Yeah.
Come on.
Mom,
Yeah?
if I died and I came back as a ghost, would you help me, find my way to heaven?
Son, if you died and come back as a ghost, I will beat you up for dying before your parents. Now get to sleep.
Are you still here?
Of course I'm still here. I can't go anywhere.
Okay, well, I've decided to help you.
You sound as if you had a choice.
You might be the only one that can help me get a date to the school ball.
You mean I'm stuck here on Earth? Just because you can't find anyone to take to the school ball? Oh, my life, what a stupid child.
Look, Grandma, I don't know what the reason is that you're here, but if you're here to help, this is how you can help me.
I guess I don't have a choice.
Okay, cool. Well, we should get some sleep. We can talk more about it tomorrow. Are you gonna sit there all night? It's kind of creepy.
So this is the girl?
Oh.
Who's this?
She's coming over.
Today?
Oh my word, she's probably going to come and think we're the most dirtiest people in the whole of New Zealand.
Too beautiful for you, loser.
Shut up your mouth.